This is Sherm Global Radio in partnership with Timber Media, podcasters for India Inc.
Hello and welcome to Sherm Global Radio. I'm Neerja, and today we are talking about a topic that many high-performance workplaces are guilty of, I don't want to say ignoring, but some do kick the can down the road until they cannot anymore. Human sustainability. How do we keep the bar high without burning people out? How do we build cultures where ambition and well-being strengthen each other instead of cancelling each other out? Walk with me on today's episode as we unpack what human sustainability really looks like in practice and why it might just be your organization's biggest competitive advantage. If high-performance cultures had a personality, they would be the overachiever in every meeting. First to arrive, last to leave, color-coded dashboards ready, metrics memorized, and always asking the question, how can we do better next quarter? High-performance cultures are defined by an unwavering commitment to excellence, built around ambitious targets, measurable outcomes, and a collective drive to outperform competitors. Across industries, from fast-scaling tech firms to global financial institutions, organizations push boundaries, innovate aggressively, and set bold expectations for their people. The energy is contagious and the pace is fast. The results can be extraordinary. At the core of such a culture is clarity. Clear goals, clear accountability, clear performance standards. Employees understand what success looks like, and they are empowered and expected to deliver it. Risk-taking is encouraged. Continuous learning is normalized. Excellence is a process engineered through systems, metrics, and disciplined execution. Now, while such drive can fuel growth and innovation, it can also quietly create pressure that compounds over time. Competition can motivate people, but constant comparison can exhaust the best of us. Relentless intensity can be overwhelming to sustain. The same environment that produces breakthrough results can, if unmanaged, spiral into burnout. Research consistently reflects this paradox. Surveys highlight the strong connection between performance pressure and employee stress when adequate support systems are absent. Findings from research by Gallup suggest that a significant percentage of employees report experiencing frequent workplace stress, especially in high-demand environments. Chronic stress impacts focus, creativity, and long-term engagement. The American Psychological Association has emphasized that prolonged workplace stress can contribute to serious physical and mental health risks. So how do we sustain excellence without sacrificing the very people who create it? Human sustainability, the foundation of sustainable performance. Human sustainability offers a powerful answer. At its essence, it means designing work systems that allow employees to perform at high levels consistently without compromising physical, mental, or emotional well-being. That means shifting the conversation from short-term output to long-term capacity. In high-performance cultures, productivity often takes center stage. Deadlines, KPIs, quarterly goals dominate conversations, but energy is finite, focus is finite, and motivation, if depleted repeatedly, diminishes. Human sustainability acknowledges these realities and builds structures to protect and replenish them. This begins with workload design. Ambitious goals are healthy, but unrealistic expectations are not. Organizations must regularly evaluate whether performance targets align with available resources. Are teams staffed appropriately? Are priorities clearly defined? Are employees spending time on high-value activities, or are they buried in unnecessary processes? When workload exceeds capacity for prolonged periods, even the most resilient employees begin to disengage. Manager capability is another critical level. Managers sit at the intersection of strategy and employee experience, translating goals into daily action. They observe early signs of fatigue. They influence team norms, investing in leadership development, particularly in areas like emotional intelligence, coaching conversations, and burnout recognition, is essential. A manager who checks in regularly, clarifies expectations, and supports realistic pacing can dramatically reduce stress levels while maintaining accountability. Psychological safety also plays a defining role. In high performance cultures, employees may hesitate to admit overload for fear of appearing incapable. Without safe channels for honest dialogue, issues remain hidden until they escalate. Encouraging open communication about workload, mental health, and capacity can serve as a strategic safeguard. Flexibility further strengthens sustainability. The evolution of hybrid and remote work has demonstrated that productivity does not require constant physical presence. When employees have autonomy over how they structure their day within clear performance boundaries, they are better able to manage energy and focus. Also, flexibility signals trust, and trust reinforces engagement. Continuous development is equally important. High performers are often motivated by growth. Providing structured learning opportunities, mentorship programs, and visible career pathways sustains motivation and prevents stagnation. When employees see a future within the organization, they are more likely to invest deeply in its success. Consider organizations like Google, which have integrated wellness programs, learning resources, and flexible work models into their broader performance philosophy and strategy. When employees feel supported, they innovate more freely and collaborate more effectively. Human sustainability is about pacing ambition intelligently. Now let's look at leadership, metrics, and the future of high performance cultures. Sustainable high performance requires leadership commitment. Culture is shaped by behaviors modeled at the top. If leaders consistently reward late night emails and heroic overextension, employees will internalize those expectations. If leaders instead model balanced productivity, respect boundaries, and focus on outcomes rather than optics, sustainable norms take root. Well being must also be measured. Traditional performance metrics track revenue, productivity, and market share. Organizations committed to sustainability expand their dashboards to monitor engagement scores, turnover rates, absenteeism trends, and employee feedback data. Pulse surveys provide early insight into morale shifts. High turnover in a high performing team may signal hidden burnout rather than healthy ambition. Recognition systems should reinforce sustainable excellence rather than glorify exhaustion. Celebrating collaboration, innovation, and long term value creation shifts the narrative from individual overexertion to collective success. Performance conversations can include what was achieved, how capacity was managed, and what support is needed moving forward. The future of high performance cultures will likely be shaped by smarter integration of technology and human insight. Data analytics can help identify workload imbalances before they become crises. Remote work models will continue to evolve, requiring new approaches to connection and accountability. Mental health resources will increasingly be viewed not as benefits but as infrastructure. Organizations can either continue to treat performance and well being as competing forces, or they can recognize that sustainable excellence requires both. High performance fueled by exhaustion is fragile. High performance supported by human sustainability is resilient. The most successful organizations of the future will not be the ones that demand the most hours or exert the most pressure. They will be the ones that understand how to harness ambition while protecting energy. They will cultivate environments where employees are challenged but supported, accountable yet empowered, competitive yet collaborative. Because when people thrive, performance does not decline, it stabilizes, strengthens, and endures. You've been listening to Sherm Global Radio, and if there's one thought I'd love you to take back to your teams, it's this: high performance shouldn't require sacrificing your life. When we design work that protects energy, supports growth, and treats people like people, not just headcount, performance becomes sustainable. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep your standards high, your people supported, and your burnout levels firmly in check. I'll see you next month.
This is Sherm Global Radio in partnership with Timber Media, Podcasters for India Inc.